question, second part. Value of A and B both are 45 degree. Clear? So put the values where A and B are there. Now this will become cos 90, that is 0. Cos 45 1 by root 2, cos 45 1 by root 2. So both the values are exactly same. They will get cancelled with each other. You are left with 0. Next is, this is the expression you have to prove this side is equal to this side, and value of angle A is given 30 degree. Clear? So let's put here 1 plus 2 into 30 will become 60. Same way when you will put value, you will get this. Clear? Now 1 plus sin 60 is root 3 by 2, cos 60 is 1 by 2. So sin 60 is root 3 by 2, cos 60 1 by 2. Same way you can put the values here. Now in order to solve this, let's take LCM. LCM will be 2. 2 into 1 will be 2. 2 will get cancelled with 2 root 3. 2 will get cancelled with 2 1. Here also LCM will be 2. You are left with root 3 plus 1. When you will reciprocate, 2 and 2 will get cancelled. And we are left with 3 plus root 3 upon 3 root 3 plus 1. Again, we are left with root in the denominator. So in order to remove this, let's rationalize with the opposite sign. Okay, and on the right side it is root 3. Now let's multiply it. 3 into root 3 is 3 root 3. 3 into 1 is 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3 only. Root 3 multiplied by 1 is minus root 3. Here identity a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square, equals to under root 3. See, these two values are same, will get cancelled. Here we are left with 3 root 3 minus 1 root 3, it is 2 root 3 upon 3 minus 1 is equal to root 3. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Let's start with exercise 23C. Very important. First question, find the magnitude of angle A. Now these are different type of sums. This is given to you. Children, can I write sin A is equal to 1 over 2, take 2 this side. Now you have to keep in mind sin is 1 by 2 at which angle? Sin 30 is 1 by 2. So in place of 1 by 2, I can write sin 30. Sin and sin will get cancelled. So what is the value of angle A? 30 degree. Now 8th part is this. Cot 2A, can I write root 3 over here? It will be 1 by root 3. Now again you have to keep in mind cot is 1 by root 3 at which angle? Otherwise you can draw the table and then from there you can see. How to draw the table, that already I told you. Now cot will get cancelled. 2A is equal to 60 and from here A is equal to 30 degree. Now another type, second question, third part of this, all other parts are same, you can do in this way. See, product of these two brackets is equal to 0, and children, you know product of two numbers is equal to 0 when it is possible if one of them is 0. Either this should be 0 or this should be 0. From here sin 2A, take 1 this side and tell me sin is 1 at which angle? 90 degree. So 1 we can write sin 90. Sin and sin will get cancelled. You are left with 2A is equal to 90 degree and A is 45. Cosecant 3A, take 1 this side. Cosecant 3A, cosecant is 1 at which angle? 90 degree. Cosec and cosec will get cancelled. 3A is equal to 90. So A is 30. So two angles are satisfying this relation. Either A is 45 or 30. Next is question number 4. This is the given expression. 4 cos square x, take 1 this side. Cos square x is equal to 1 by 4. 4 will be taken over here. Remove square, cos x is equal to under root 1 by 4, that is 1 by 2. Now cos is 1 by 2 at which angle? Cos 60. So 1 by 2 can be written as cos 60. Cos will get cancelled. X is equal to 60 degree. Second part, find the value of this expression. Sin 60 is what? Root 3 by 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Their squares are given. Solve, that is equal to 1. Again we have proved sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Third part, 1 over cos square x we already found, that is 60 degree, minus tan square 60. Cos 60 is what? 1 by 2 and square is given minus root 2 root 3 square. 1 by 2 square means 1 by 4. So 4 will be in the numerator upon 1 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is what? 1. Seventh question, 2 cos 2a. Why I have not solved sixth question? All the sums are same. You can try and very easy questions are there. Seventh question, 2 cos 2a is equal to 3. Cos 2a, 2 will be taken over here. Now you have to find out cos is root 3 by 2 at which angle? It is at 30 degree. Cos will get cancelled. 2a is equal to 30. So what will be the value of angle A? 30 divided by 2, 15. Second part, we have to find sine 3a. Sine 3 into a we already got, put here 15. It will become sine 45 and the answer is 1 by root 2. Next is this expression, a already we got 15, put the value. We are left with sine square, subtracted 60, cos square, added 60 degrees. Sine is 60, sine 60 is root 3 by 2, square is given. Cos 60 is 1 by 2, square is given. Solve it, answer 1. Again, sine square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. Ninth question, very important question. From the given figure, find, this figure is given. In this figure, you are given this side as y, this is 20 and this is 10. Using Pythagoras theorem, see, I found the value of y, that is 10 root 3. Now, we have to find in first part the value of cos x. Cos is equal to what? B upon h. Now, what is B? X angle is mentioned. So, this will become the base. Base is 10. Hypotenuse 20. It will be 1 over 2. Now, in the next part, we have to find the value of x only. So, for this, I will make use of this only. Cos x is equal to 1 by 2. You tell me cos is 1 by 2 at which angle? Cos 60. Cos will get cancelled. So, value of x is 60 degree. Clear? Third part, this is the expression. Tan 60 is root 3. Put the value. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Put the value. Root 3 square, it will be 3 only. Minus 2 will be in the numerator 4. And root 3 square is 3. So, take LCM. Answer is minus 1. 11th question. All the parts are very important. So, understand it carefully. This is the expression. And we will, no angle is given. Value of angle A is not given. Even we are asked to find the magnitude of angle A. So, this I did with pairing method. Make pair. Grouping method I did. What is common between these two terms? Cos A. Here what you are left with? 2 sin A. This is already taken out. Minus 1. Between these two terms, nothing is common. Minus 1 is taken out. Inside, what you are left with? 2 sin A. As minus is taken out, so this sign will change. Here you are left with minus 1 equals to 0. Now, you can see these two terms are exactly same, which I have taken out. And here you are left with cos A minus 1 equal to 0. So, already you have solved these kind of problems when product of two terms is equal to 0, when either one of them should be 0. Either this should be 0 or this should be 0. Cos A minus 1 is equal to 0. 2 sin A minus 1 is equal to 0. Clear? So, take 1 this side, cos A is equal to 1 and cos is 1 at which angle? Cos 0. Cos will get cancelled. A is equal to 0 degree. From here, 2 sin A, take 1 this side and then after 2 is taken over here. Now, sin is 1 by 2 at which angle? Sin 30. Cancel sin and sin, angle A is equal to 30 degree. So, these two angles are satisfying this relation. Okay. Now, in this question, third part of 11th question, grouping is not possible, but I can see it is somewhat same as quadratic equation. So, for this what I did, let cos A is equal to x. This equation will become cos x square minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now, you know how to split the middle term. Multiply first term with the last, 2x square. Split 2 so as to get 3. 2 ones are 2. First term as it is, last term as it is. We took the combination 2 and 1, write the same variable, okay. So, the greater between these two will have the same sign as this term is having, minus. Now, we need to add it. So, what sign should be here? Minus sign. Now, make groups. 2x is common. Here you are left with x minus 1. Here nothing is common. Minus 1 will be taken out. Then we are left with x. As minus is taken out, this sign will change. X minus 1 common in both. You are left with 2x minus 1 equals to 0. Again, product of two terms is equal to 0. It is possible either this is 0 or this is 0. Same thing I wrote here. Replace x with cos A minus 1 equals to 0. Take 1 this side. Cos is 1 at which angle? 0. Cos will get cancelled. Angle A is equal to 0 degree. 2x is equal to, take 1 this side and x is 1 by 2. What is x? Cos A. And cos is 1 by 2 at which angle? Cos 60. Cos and cos will get cancelled. A is equal to 60 degree. So, question number 14. Triangle ABC is right angled at B. AB is y units. BC is root 3 given. AC is 2. Find angle A is equal to x. So, first part is to find the value of angle sine x. So, for this I need to find all three sides. By Pythagoras theorem, I got the value of y, that is 1. First part, sin x. Sin x is p upon h. So this side will be base, perpendicular is root 3 and hypotenuse is 2. Clear? Second part, we have to find the value of x. I'll make use of this expression only. Sin x is equal to root 3 by 2, already we solved. And sin is root 3 by 2 at which angle? 60 degree. Clear? Sin x is equal to sin 60. Sin will get cancelled. X is equal to 60 degree. Third part, find tan x. X we already got 60, tan 60. What is the value of tan 60? Root 3. Fourth part, we have to find cos x. Cos x is equal to base over hypotenuse. Look at the figure. What is base? Y. Hypotenuse is 2. I wrote here y upon 2. Here we are asked to find the value of y but using cos theta. Okay, this trigonometrical ratio. So cos 60 is equal to y over 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2 equals to y over 2. 2 and 2 will get cancelled and the value of y is equal to 1. Last question. See, this expression is given. Very important question. From here I can say that this term is equal to this constant as well as this term is equal to this constant. Same. Clear? So same procedure. Cos a plus b, 2 can be taken over here 1 by 2. Cos sin a minus b, 2 can be taken over here 1 by 2. Now what is cos? Cos is 1 by 2 at which angle? Cos 60. Cancel. A plus b is equal to 60 degree. Same way, sin is 1 by 2 at which angle? Sin 30. Sin and sin will get cancelled. So we are left with a minus b is equal to 30. So children, you got these two linear equations. You know how to solve. By adding b and b will get cancelled. You will get 2a is equal to 90. So a will be 45. So put a in any equation. You can find the expression b also. With this, your chapter is over. Children, you have many questions for your practice. So practice as many as you can, and doubts you can ask you in the query class. Thank you.